to get my haircut fixed. I had a haircut like 3 days ago or something, but I'm just realizing that it's not actually even, and I messed it up a little bit here, so I'm going to try to fix it. It's a little bit difficult here to, I guess it's difficult to actually communicate with people since I don't speak Chinese, but it is kind of interesting how they manage your hair, or having a haircut here, or having even like a blowout or whatever. From my experience, they don't really know how to deal with non-Asian hair, at least from the shops that I went to and from basically being here. But they do give a really good head massage, and they do good shampooing, so I'm going, if I didn't get like a good haircut out of it, at least I'm gonna get good massage and good wash. So yeah, let's go. So I just came back. I came back from the barber shop, and the lady, she gave me like a hair wash, and she did like this incredible massage. Oh my god, like almost like 20 minutes just washing my hair and giving me massages, and it was relaxing. It's so nice. And then I refreshed like the bangs, so the bangs, and also like made it even, so now it's even. This was pretty nice. You know, I understand now why this is the go-to haircut in Asia, because it's actually so cute. It's super cute, and it's very like you feel you feel relaxed. You feel like you can do anything, like nothing is holding you back. Your hair is not holding you back. Oh, it's actually so cute. And it's very girly. I don't know. A lot of my coworkers have this haircut. It's actually pretty cute. Legs, and it's been a long time I did not train my legs, so it's a little bit difficult, and I'm suffering, and I know I'm going to suffer in the next week because it's been a long time I didn't train. So yeah, I'm thinking about what I'm gonna eat for lunch because I still didn't have my lunch yet. Yeah. Anyways, I don't think I show you my t-shirts. It's pretty cute. Like a beautiful woman doing her workout and growing muscle. the gym, and I feel for the trend, dude, like for the protein shit, because I just bought like a protein pasta, and it has got like, for each 100 gram of pasta, it has got 22 fucking gram of protein, which is insane. I don't know how that's gonna taste. I'm sure it's not gonna taste good because, you know, but I don't know. I'm cooking it right now with chicken and mushroom and see how that's gonna turn. Yeah, gonna add some cheese on top and see if that's gonna be nice. Here I'm drinking my creatine, and I have here blueberry and kale. Yeah, kale and blueberry powder. Because apparently I don't have time to eat all the vegetables in the world, but I need some fibers, you know, at least. I don't know if this is good from the reviews and from what I can, from actually what ChatGPT is telling me, it's good. It's good. So yeah. And before I go, I don't know how this is gonna taste, because they usually mix it with other drinks or whatever. I've never had it like straight up like this, just water. Yeah, no sugar, no nothing, just water and powder. Oh my God, what did I do? So it's finally done. It looks, actually cooked pretty good. I'm gonna try it. I add some cheese.
Now this happened like an hour earlier. So, I mean, what the hell is going on at the Blue Mist Motel? I don't know.
Okay.
Something weird. So police spot him, go to the payphone, they wait until
Not bad
he's
at
done,
all.
and then so the officers go up to him and they ask like, "Hey Robert, do you want to come like sit with us in our police car? And we could just kind of wait for your mom together, so you don't have to be alone." And Robert tells me,
I burned myself. So hungry.
2:30 in the morning, and still no
On the
sign.
mushroom.
She is just a magician, vanished again. Officers are able to fully examine Robert's motel room because he's in the police car, and this is where they find a box
This is good.
filled with bones. I guess it's obvious that they're human bones. It's not like chicken bones. So they open up this box filled with bones.
I have flat PTSD from putting forks like this, because in Asia it's a bad luck to put like the chopsticks like that. People will be like, oh! So every time I do that to a fork, I get freaked out. Anyway, I'm gonna go watch a movie, enjoy my dinner, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye!